out about Ronnie and Dean from clients of ours, the clinic that we work at. We actually didn't have any other builders at all because I knew these guys are really good, nice people, very easy to talk to, and after talking to them for many years, I know these guys are anal about their work. I didn't even think about anyone else if I knew. So it's easy. Whatever you need, you just talk to them. They're easy to talk to. They'll sort it out pretty quickly. There's no doubt about that. I think overall, I can't really pick little tiny bits on that. The teams are great. The boys are good. They listen to the instructions. They respect the property when they do things. A lot of tradies just throw stuff around, but the boys are very, they think of everything that's surrounding. They're neat and tidy afterward. Oh yeah, all those things are really important. They look at the job, and from the surface they say, look, this is what we think we need to do. And as the day goes on, if there's an issue that might affect the construction further, or they will say, look, I think we need to sort this out a little bit more. Otherwise, if we leave this till later, it's going to cause more problems. And I think that's really important as you go along, and as long as you have in mind that yes, there's a certain budget that you need to do, but as things goes along, there's things underneath that you don't see. So, and they're really good, and they tell you, what's going to happen. Yeah, so it's cool. And I know in the back of my mind everything's sorted out quite nicely. That I had it in the back of my mind what was wrong, and Dean and Ronnie just sort that out for me. And I know now it's I guess from two point of view is Dean let me know what needs to be done now and needs to be done later. But me being me, I said there's no point doing later because you're going to have to come back and do it again. Sort it out now, and that's the good thing. That's why I love them. You can't go wrong. That's it. Get it sorted out. They'll be honest with you, and then be upfront with the cost. And, there's always going to be, like I said, there's a plus, and there's going to be a leeway of how much they can see from the surface. But just trust them to do the right thing.